maybe repeat wa abusuamu nim say Public Accounts Committee and the Auditor General omo kokoye District Assemblies Common Fund the ho mo kan say audit 2023 na ensema efiri ho bae no me the document no to ho ama instruction or the beba betum ho. Public Accounts Committee and Audit Services say when say ye district assemblies no afibia omu determine district assembly sika na ekomu no eno no ye district assemblies common fund ni ye fe no common fund no man sika bia ye nya bia ye de kwa ho na ye de akoye district akwa akoye mpuntu etiewura kufuo de school feeding bae no o kan se afibia mra ne se afibia ye wo percentage of the district assemblies common fund ye de Emma National School Feeding Program na ye di tua ye school feeding caterers naka patron ye make na matemase eti afibia mo vary ye hwe situation no ye hwe nkwala ye ko make school feeding program anya secondary school for de no omo de ne ye bafa stock any different make nkwala government schools public schools fiti kindergarten hopim class 6 school feeding na ye women organizers ni deputies ye ba ban mu aye de mo nu aduane ne saa eno no na make eti aban wo sika bia every year omo tena se ni ahyehye ni ye de common fund no ni ye se ye farmer school feeding no mfa ntua enkrofo neka na document ye o mo betimi as mo kan say mo be bie mu no mo mie mu me be kan akere mo me kan ne brofo no ma se akere mu twi according to Ghana Auditor General no, on the report of the Auditor General on the management and utilization of the District Assemblies Common Fund for the year 2023 31st December or say failure to release funds to Ghana School Feeding Program sikana yanyi ama yan farmer school feeding program no eye 1 million and 166 million 228,965.57 Ghana cedis. Sika anko ma one tranche bi ayese anko. Now to aswa or see the 2021 approved formula for the allocation of District Assemblies Common Fund earmarked 10.18% to the Ghana School Feeding Program. It's 2023 no Ghana School Feeding Program aban ka say District Assemblies Common Fund ni nyina ye di mu 10.18% ena ye de kwa mark school feeding. Oko point 28 now. We however noted that a total amount of 266,228,965.57 Ghana cedis that was appropriated to the Ghana School Feeding Program for the 4 quarters of 2021, the administrator only released 100 million Ghana cedis to the Ghana School Feeding Program on 2nd May 2023. The details are provided below. Eti sika wey na ye 2021 sika ise ye de mama no. Ye di omoka aban Ministry of Finance release 266 million ebigu so de ma common fund administrator samre na torshie na ye common fund administrator odi sika no bema ema no omo 100 million eno onu kipi 166 million sebo be kaya 2021 2022 2023 some amu hu ne school feeding for May eye wo krom ha Sumi say I had to become an emergency communicator for school feeding matters. Na dear ba kwa mi hwe maame na no da no. Your former health minister, Major Courage Kwashiga, your first national organizer of the MPP, one of the strong MPP stalwarts from the Volta region. Ode ne yire, na ne yire. Papa ne wu 2011. Ne yire Mrs. Kwashiga na that school feeding, ano. Mami the pressure. Mo na se mo kaya. Mami the pressure school feeding ka no nam ha no su no prayer that prayer sure ya yes mami na nya heart attack. Tintin try mami na wu. Ya ma your friend is saying women organizers, constituency women organizers, regional women organizers, polling station women organizers in the idea adwuma yi ma wo. Ema yi sunye besinne ebi NDC for ba ekomo ntuo moka. Na ye abaye release sika wei. Ama wo na atoshi. Na watimi di just 100 million. No watra 166 million. So enye me na make a friend is saying audit for audit general na kan. Eti wo sa nipa wei wo hwe abro we kwa your school feeding for the o. DC is for meka omo de. MC is for meka omo de. Abro ni beye. Wo ye. On top of that, and Millicent. NDC ni Millicent Sunyani West. Etimi anya akukuduro. Aba be ka kire yen se wo LST ye niema wo de man. Make Ignatius Bafwe who are not yet sitting MP. One abronye so omo de niema bre wo se ye wanye. Na wo wa bie wa no. Aba be ka se Dr. Baumi ayeden. Me de se maka kire mo. Miss Roxy, me sign the video no me the another video no pay na what kind of me sign the attention.
What you be mama to you be ma. Me dia me ti wey.
The one me hit no.
Oku talk o yiri mako. E ma point ani ti won fifire sai. Me dia me mpa me ho asem o. Me mpa me ho asem o. Obi akọ hwe ma mi kase o si kasa na no ne bro.
Abusia.
Electoral.
Enka asem way.
Electoral.
Asem way. Mumami wie. Asem way. Oni your friend is say aban sika na wedi. And then say me say John Mahama e ka say obi a wedi aban sika ye the public accounts committee a obema ya chill. Say NDC fortune is a cup of tea. And fa me ho. Enka sa asem we me say enka me boss because onu nanim ni wakoye. But say wonya akukuduro. Say Dr. Baumia enye onu na ma anadwuma. Dr. Baumia enye onu na ma anadwuma. Dr. Baumia did not appoint her. Dr. Baumia sign the letter. Etimi nya akukuduro be board Dr. Baumia di no. Mami we oni ye nya papa. Me elende ko oni bi nya. Apart from we asika ye hu. Ye de una te party mu ha. 8 solid years a ye ba aban mu. Obi ani untimi na emu nipa ba ko a utimi bua no.
Because also that aduane ye de e mayen ni de da media me yare. And I thank God say I will for a war Ghana. Most of them won who a yen near ekoso e secondary schools. Me na mo baby am me secondary school, old boys and girls. Make an executive no. So I have the opportunity to speak to the headmaster day in day out, even this morning. Na so oka enema won e form sesi ai e kire me am say master ansem one am ye dada am say so say o say na yenimo because yena na ye hye ne ba obeka so onye den oni e kire but the things are not well. The secondary schools enema enkoye ye ti oman mu ana amafo beka say paying fees is better than a Akufo-Addo free education. And then I kept on asking myself, even a dream, sir. These are the people who want salary ekotoaba. Now the same people are now saying, say, secondary schools, enkoye. Sabi tafrache, yesi ye kwa koto eye presidential jet mienu. Yesi ye kwa koto helicopters 4. And sana yato presidential ship mienu. Eye. Yansani yato presidential ship mienu. Now ask yourself, time ana a year adu esi so na yeka presidential jet asem Sam George ebeka say Ghana ekom na di yen ade na yakwa koto presidential jet Sami Janfi ebeka say our presidential jet at that time no fit for a purpose na Liberia president Kwampo behind di etu kwan. Now what has changed today? Since Ghana yenye aduane amai ebusu ana ene ahochira ye nemu ewo Ghana. And so yet we have over 1.2 billion say ye de kwakoto presidential jet. Ne ya senso ato presidential ship. Mama okoye den ewo eposo. This is a clear signal that NDC ba or buy no wama ameboa or mine. But I am sometimes onyankopon oye ni bibia ewo ne kwan so just for Ghanaians to appreciate the good work of NPP Nanado any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Okwanya the track on the Ghana enam so na Ghana echo and then look at what is happening in the country. All sectors of the economy says here atitia up and some. For the security wise, we will not even talk about it because they say Ghana no pia now with security ahead then ashe on some. NDC promise what is termed as 24-hour economy, 3 jobs, 1 job, 3 employee. And then acquisition. Even in their own budget, I want the abba nurses for no one can say we don't want alawa, we want automatic posting. And the posting acquisition. Adibakwa na eyambi during that time that we had a school for one nursing training. I won paying for etna during 2012 up to 2016 and Mahama Ebetna so as president. Mahama never posted any badge. And in the my NPP ebeto eka meka eka on na every school I won etifien obeto se won go. Then NPP started posting them. And then the same person abamanim now we just say we don't want alawa, we want free, we want automatic posting. As nipa no jenwe nimni say sabita frache tamana otesuno. Did you post any batch? Afensa ne ene waba beka say oni sika or de be famu adwumam ne mo mi wo sika me de beto private jet. Me was scam me de beto a presidential ship akwakotena eposo aboti abo a pizza any mabusuafo and then you are there esu. Sometimes ayana ye share how yen Ghana for no ye mubi no ye dwen na menuaba ayana eya yentumi endwen enko echirichirichiri enhu what is ahead of us. Adwenya ye de yen analysis no e wo form enei a me no e ka say madam fu teacher ni bi o kan won wi school afi o fe me ene nansa o say me nu aboa me na me koto police forms bi am say na nya na wawie teacher college of education and o say ane mama say next year on to me enfaye o am can say o Canada ben no so e wo budget ni say next year on to me when am say mo ntwen 2028 MPP ba o say hey enti me interview up to 2020 and am can say me no me na me say lie e koto aba e ma nana and then MPP amfa anyemo enti nia medi etwa to no that man na say bi odidi o ka say sebi tafrache enye Mahama anka che before ene we emprako anana enum suo no onfa na no entwitwi form menya sure say ne lifetime wako chebida and menya sure kombo say wotwam ewo chebida. He has been an MP ewo ni krom for so many years on just say na ni krom tie. Fortunately we've even had a year a President Mahama onusu free o yo se na ni krom tie na owi a onko twam wo chebi say if he doesn't know chebi krampo no yenyen imprako e wo kuro no say obenyen imprako a just how they call outskirts of the community. Chebi kronu yenye mprako. Oko chebi krobi ti say pano yenye imponchi eye tabu kese sa wodi aponchi krampo be heden ebe ko ho. O nanti chebi kromu hu say emoampo yeden eninam kronu. Se ebia sebi okraman odwan ne ayin hu bi mpo ewo kronu. Na waba begina Ghana emrasebedwam ka se enye mahama ankache bi fo ne emprako anane enumsu onyankopon emfa ne boni nche no na onhwe ni krom fo na sebe tafrache ni krom fo ni ani nantwie ana enumsuo eni nkraman won ekọ efuom ondu ensuo no ho a na oni nantwie ni nyina wondu won abom na won enu abi na onom ya na ode abebedu baby a waye den wadu
takwata sorry o minchwa wanu why mimi nyin wo chebi enclave onum we simple omo die no evidence wo ho ye wo video evidence ye wo picture evidence omo mfa pick die no so mbra simple wait afefefe what you say
mimi abamdasi chebi krampo yenyen sa mon krampo yenyen bi wo honum just how they call eya akwadum ne sa nkrankrase na e won enu kwampo won akeji won nyina ba chebi krom se wo de brako yenfa bi nko aponche pano wo di si wonum a ye do bekwa ahemfie etia kronumra na opanyin toto waba begina emrase bedwam kasa sa enkwasiansem we sabe mentumi nkasa ntia empanyifo betimi hu enkwasiansem a eye we kan ye no by MPA can me say papa yi edi nkwasiasem and then look at a sabita fracture a nipa afrimu won kwa kope adwuma aye that's one afrimu a whole MP wasan kwampo asan aye teacher ni abaye head mistress osan so e wo ma hello ma
maybe I should now wrap up amaye because ye nyanshe ye discussion as a crab ye guest or be joining ene aha ntin pa show my enemy eje interview